Did you know 1 in 3 people aged 65 and above fall at least once every year? And what's even more worrying, most of these fall happens at home. A simple fall can result in broken bones, loss of independence, and in some cases, even serious injury. But here's the good news. The government has a program that allows eligible seniors to upgrade their homes with safety features such as grab bars, ramp, and slip-resistant flooring, with the cost heavily subsidized. If you're planning to age in a place, this is something every senior household should know. It's called the Enhancement for Active Seniors, or EASE program. Now you may be thinking, this only applies to HDB homeowners. Well, not necessary. If you're living in a private property, you may also qualify. In this video, I'll explain what it is, who qualify, how much it costs, and how to apply, and whether if it's something that you or your parents should consider. Hi friends, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kenneth, an ex-police officer with 17 years of real estate experience. This channel is dedicated to helping Singaporeans navigate housing and CPF decisions, especially after 55. And if that's relevant to you or someone you love, subscribe and stay around. Now let's dive in. Now again, EASE stands for Enhancement for Active Seniors. It is a government program that subsidizes improvement items installed in your flat to improve mobility and safety within the flat. EASE is offered as part of Home Improvement Program, also known as HIP. However, if your block is not yet selected for HIP, or you wish to install these improvement items earlier instead of waiting for HIP, you can apply under EASE direct application. In simple terms, it helps to make your home safer and easier to move around as you grow older. So instead of waiting until an accident happens, the government encourages eligible households to install these improvement items earlier, helping to reduce the risk of falls and support independent living. Because EASE is a highly subsidized program by the government, many of these improvement items cost far less. So what exactly can you install under the EASE program? The improvement items are grouped into 3 categories. The first category is items suitable for fall prevention and additional support. These include grab bars installed at places such as the bathroom entrance, inside the bathroom, or even the main entrance. Slip-resistant treatment for your existing bathroom floor. Lowering of the bathroom entrance curb, making it safer and easier to step in and out. A wall-mounted foldable shower seat. A handrail at the main entrance where there are steps. The second category is items suitable for wheelchair or commode user. These include ramps, widening of bathroom entrance, and where necessary, a wheelchair lifter for homes with multiple steps. And finally, there are items that improve senior safety and well-being. These include a bidet spray, rocker switches that are easier to operate, and even a home fire alarm device, which provide an early warning if a fire breaks out. As you can see, the EASE program isn't just about preventing falls. It is about making your home safer, more accessible, and easier to live in as your mobility needs change over time. The program is available to Singapore citizen households living in HDB flats and registered tenants living in HDB rental flats. In addition, your household must have at least one family member who is aged 65 and above, or between 60 and 64 years old, and require assistance with at least one activity of daily living, also known as ADL. So what exactly is an activity of daily living? These are basic everyday self-care activities such as washing, bathing, dressing, fitting, using the toilet, mobility, or transferring, such as in and out of bed. And if the family members require the EASE improvement items is between 60 and 64 years old, you will need to submit a functional assessment report together with your application. And this report must be endorsed by a qualified assessor, such as a fully registered doctor. However, if the family member is 65 or above, the functional assessment report is not required. Now you might be wondering, what if I live in a private property? Well, the good news is this. From 1st April 2026, the government introduced EASE Private to support eligible households living in a private residential property. The program is administered by BCA. Eligible households will receive 1,002 worth of vouchers, which can be used to offset 75% of the cost of selected senior-friendly fittings purchased from appointed contractors. The program is being rolled out in phases, and it starts with households with senior aged 80 and above, followed by 70 and above. And from 1st October 2026, households with senior age 65 and above can also apply. As each phase opens, eligible households will also receive an invitation letter and SMS inviting them to apply. Applications are submitted online. Once your application is approved, BCA will assign a qualified contractor to supply and install the approved fittings. So there's no need to source your own contractor. If you live in a private property, I'll leave the link in the description below where you can find the latest eligibility requirements and application details. Now, one of the biggest questions people have is this: how much do you actually need to pay? Well, the good news is this: it is highly subsidized program by the government. For example, if you own a HDB 4-room flat, a set of grab bar that costs over $500 before government subsidies, you only pay about $29. Slip resistant treatment for one bathroom costs almost $240, but you only pay around $18. And that's less than 10% of the original cost. Of course, the amount you pay depends on your flat type and the improvement items you choose. If you'd like to check the full list of subsidized costs, I will leave the official HDB link in the description below. You can also use HDB online calculator to estimate how much you will need to pay based on your selected improvement items. A simple fault can change someone else's life, but in many cases, it's also something we can prepare for. The EASE program isn't just about installing grab bar or slip-resistant flooring. It is about making your home safer, improving mobility, and helping seniors continue living independently with greater confidence. So if you or your parents are thinking about aging in place, I hope this video has helped you better understand how each program works, who qualify, and how to get started. By the way, I did another video on various housing options for people who are 55 and above. You can watch it here. My name is Kenneth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.